Hello viewers. Today with Team Donovan, we're going to be taking a look at replacing the turn signals on a 2012 Toyota Corolla. Now, first thing you want to do is take off the battery, and once you replace one, I always recommend replacing both of them. So to get to here, we're not going to be able to come through this side. We're going to have to come over here. All right, now what I've done is turn the wheel so it gives us some space over here. And we got these tabs that we need to take off. Now, two of them are broken on this one, so it just leaves this third. Okay, and a little hard to see, but you can kind of see it here. We're gonna go ahead and rotate that just enough to snap it out. Okay. Okay. And this is it. Not exactly easy to get out. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. You can see in here the filament is broken. All right, now what I'm gonna be using is these 3457A Sylvania Long Life light bulbs. I'll put a link in the description. And since they come in a 2-pack, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and replace both sides. And it's just as easy as popping it in. There we go. Okay, there we can see it's working. So we'll go ahead and put this all back together. Let's go ahead and slide it back up. Now, a little impossible to show you. And we're just gonna put it up to the area and twist it over and lock it in place. Now here we can see it working. So now I'm gonna do the other side, and it's just the same thing, but now I'm gonna turn those wheels the other direction to give me access to that side. Okay, and I'm gonna take out the one here, here, and here to be able to move this to get to that turn signal. Okay, now that those are off, go ahead and move this. Be able to slide my arm into here and grab the light. There you go. Twist. No, wrong one. Okay, put that one back. Now I'm going for the right one. Twist. Pop it out. Here we go. Like I said, this one's working, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyways, just to cut down on the fact that this half-life of this is probably gonna be coming up soon. So just unsnap it. And we're gonna go ahead and snap it back in. New one. Maybe. There we go. And just like the other side, we're gonna go ahead and test. Okay, we can see it working. So we'll go ahead and put it back together. Okay, I'm going ahead and put it back. I'm just gonna put these clips back. And here you can see it working again. So hopefully this video helped you out, and if it has, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget the link for these bulbs are in the description.